The smart way to lower your housing loan, advance monthly ba? O isang malaking payment? Kapag may housing loan ka, hindi lang basta paghuhulog ang importante. Mas mahalaga kung paano mo pabababain ang interest at mapapaikli ang long term mo habang maaga. Ngayon, ang tanong, mas okay ba ang paunti-unting advance monthly payment o isang malaking payment minsanan? Kapag nag-a-advance monthly ka, kahit maliit lang, unti-unti mong nababawasan ang principal balance ng loan mo. Dahil dito, mas lumiliit din ang interest na naipon mo over time. Kahit maliit na extra payment bawat buwan, malaking tipid din ang epekto nito in the long run. Pero kung may bonus, incentive, commissions, o extra income ka naman, malaking advantage din ng lump sum payment. Dahil mas mabilis nitong mababawasan ng loan balance mo at possible bang maikli ang years ng pagbabayad mo. Sa madaling salita, small but consistent advance payment equals steady savings on interest. Big lump sum payment, faster loan reduction, and shorter loan term. Ang importante, hindi lang basta naguhulog, may tamang strategy kang ginagawa para mas mapabilis ang goal mong maging fully paid homeowner. At bago ka mag-advance payment, siguraduhin mo ring alam mo ang policy ng bank, pag-ibig, o developer tungkol sa principal payment para maiwasan ang penalties o extra charges. Want to know more smart home buying tips at mga loan strategies? Message us today and let us help you to find a property and payment setup na swak sa budget at future goals mo. This is Annalyn Violenta, your property specialist, your partner in finding your dream home.
This is Annalyn Violenta,
Manny Violeta,
partner in real life.
partner in real estate, your partner in finding your dream home.